Hello and welcome back to the Snickerdoodle on this YouTube channel. I'm so excited to have you here, and I'm wanting to show you how to make the make one right and make one left increases right after a long-tailed cast on. So this is something I'm specifically doing for my egg dishcloths. They're canvas craft project slash dishcloth slash garland slash whatever you want to make them. And what I've done is I have the cast on, and then I have an increased row as the first row of the pattern. And that's a little non-traditional. So I want to show you how to do it. So I'm just going to knit one stitch here first, and then we're going to make one right. But we don't have that bar from between our stitches. You could technically use this bar here if you wanted to. I don't love that. You could also use this yarn here, but it's a loose end, so you want to be very mindful if you do that. But what I prefer to do is I just take this stitch that was the cast on stitch and use that for my make one right. So that's our make one right. All right, and then I'll just knit one. Then for the make one left, it's the same idea. So I just use that stitch right here that wraps around the base of the stitch that we have. So we just bring that up here and do our make one left that way, and just knit the last stitch. So I hope that helps. Be very mindful when you do the cast on and when you work this row that you don't do it too tight, or making those stitches will become very difficult. Yeah, so I hope that's helpful. I'll go ahead and show that one more time, just in case you didn't see it very well. I'll pause this and redo it. All right, so here we have cast on 3 stitches. I'm going to go ahead and knit one. And then the stitch that I like to take is just this right here, this leg. Make one right, knit one, and then grab this stitch right here, make one left, and then knit one. So there you go. And you may have heard I have a co-host with me, so little Minnie is co-hosting a couple tutorials for me today, hanging out in the high chair, squealing and eating Cheerios. So yep, there he's saying hello. All right, yeah, I hope this tutorial was super helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, or even if you have a hack that you prefer over this, feel free to share it. Alrighty, I will catch you in the next tutorial.